All right, I'm here with Milos at the Formlabs booth at SolidWorks 2019. So, what can you tell us about Formlabs?
Hi guys. So first of all, nice for having it here. Thanks for dropping by. So the basic design and idea behind Formlabs has always been to make 3D printing accessible, and it is basically printed in our DNA and core of what we do. So we make affordable and really good 3D printers that are scalable and easy to use. So if you are interested, I can walk you through our booth.
Yeah, that'd be great. Here, Chang, let's go over here and let's see what we got. So, what are we looking at here?
So we are looking at the examples of what you can produce with and what our clients are producing with our unit. So far we have the orange cover printer. It's called Form2, is SLA printer. And basically you project light onto a pattern and you solidify that resin and you make a part out of it. But the cool thing about it is we have more than 17 resins right now. Yeah, so.
This is a carbon fiber mirror. I want that on my car.
Yeah, but this is what was printed on Form2.
Cool.
So basically you can use it for designing, prototyping, but also you can see inside this blue part here that is 3D printed. I will show you.
Oh, okay.
So this is basically this part. So it can be a design phase, but it also could be an end user part as well.
Cool.
And you can use it for quick design iteration to check for form, fit, and function to see if it's good, if it's working or not, and then create the end user part. Or you can make, I don't know, this is a tough part, the end user part, or again, as a design process, this is this.
This is very strong.
Yeah, it is. It's one of our strongest material that we have. It's called the tough. And basically this is the end product. It is for home breweries. Yeah, you get the idea.
Yeah, it looks like a chemistry set or
yeah, but
beer.
Beer we like in Formlabs. Also, the latest material that we introduced is the elastic resin. You'll see here. It's around 50A in short, so it's quite tough and quite versatile. But I can also show you.
So we're going over here to this side.
Basically, we
some
have
more examples.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is Ring Brother. This is the manufacturer for jigs and fixtures. Basically, they use it day in, day out. Basically, this is the tool that goes into automated CNC machine. You place a part in here, it goes to the CNC, get drills and bits and whatever is needed, go back, you place another part, and you streamline the process. Cool thing about this is basically you have the digital inventory. When CNC machining, when you're doing, basically you need to have these parts stored. And if you are doing parts for, let's say, 100, 200 clients, you have to store them for a long period of time, and that takes, inventory, and you just toss it off. If you need it again, you 3D print it. Or this is the latest thing that we've done with Gillette. Basically,
cool.
You can go to their website, you can buy this, you can customize the handlebars, so it can be 3D printed. Everything is 3D printed in our big booth, but you customize it, you choose the material, the pattern, and so on, and you play with it.
That's some exciting stuff. How what's the feedback that you've been hearing from some customers
for this?
on that?
It's pretty good. People
love that, don't they?
Yeah. I mean,
it's some exciting stuff, right?
You go from the personal examples. I order it as well and want to have my name, or I order it for friends and like making fun of it and stuff like that. It's really good, and it's like that personalized stamp on it. Then you place it. It's like it is mass produced, but it's still made for you.
Right.
And it's tailored to your needs, and this is again back to the core of what Formlabs is doing. So you can do small batches, you can do large batches, or you can do a custom-made sample part, but it's tailored for you and it would serve the purpose of what you're doing. So, yeah.
Okay.
And if you have ever seen the machine, I can explain you how the machine is working. Yeah, come
on.
Yeah,
let's take a look at the machines over here.
So this is the Form2. This is the SLA unit that we have. So basically what we have here, there is a resin tank. You can see the laser going and operating. So what we have here, basically a 3D file that was designed in some of the, let's say, SolidWorks for the...
Of course, SolidWorks world.
Today, especially
There's
SolidWorks.
nothing else.
Yeah. And then the laser traces out the pattern like CNC or any other, let's say, FDM manufacturer that you use. But this is onward SLA process, as you can see. So basically the part is stick to the build platform.
Over here, he's going to show us the build platform.
Yeah. So basically this is the build platform. The part got stick to this side.
Right.
And you have the parts with the, let's say, the support on it. When you're done, we created the form wash and form cure, because working with resin can sometimes be a bit messy. So you place the build platform onto it. This is filled with isopropyl alcohol. You place it down, you rinse it for 10-15 minutes depending on the material that you're using. And we also have this UV chamber, which is pretty nice, not only because of the UV light, it turns and rotates, but also it has you can control the temperature, which is super important up to the 80 degrees. So you really can influence those monomer chains and inside. So yeah.
I mean, one of the things that that strikes me, that I notice as I'm looking at these, is how beautiful they are. This is not something you hide back in the shop room, right? This is something that's meant to be on display in your office, right?
Yeah. Sadly, we have like 6 more printers coming on, but they're stuck in New York. But what we want to showcase and display, especially on this shelf, is we have a large amount of customers that have not only one printer, but like 6, 7, 10 of those.
Yeah.
Because this is quite affordable. And for the price of what you have to pay for industrial printer, you can buy 10 of those, and then you're super flexible. You can do different kind of jobs. If one printer is down, you have 9 of those left. You can really swap them, and you really can go into a bit mass production, let's say like that. Yeah.
Perfect. Well, I appreciate you taking the time.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
meeting you guys.